hope you've checked out the other videos. We've made a start with the learners, looking at the 100 hours that you have to do. Of course, after you sort of have everything set up and you've organised someone to go driving with you, the next thing is to actually go out on the roads. Some people are very nervous, a bit hesitant to go driving or to hop behind the wheel of a car. Other people are very keen and eager. So I always say, you want to find some middle ground there. You don't want to be too keen, overzealous, but at the same time, you don't want to be too nervous or scared about it. You want to find that middle ground there where you're going to be calm and relaxed with the person who's taking you out. And you just take it step by step. You take it slow. I've had people over the years who say, their parents took them out straight onto the highway. Perhaps not the correct thing to do. When I start someone who's brand new to driving, I take them to quiet streets. To me, it's just the obvious thing to do. Why take someone onto the highway doing a minimum of 100 Ks on the highway when they haven't driven? And I don't think it's very responsible to take a brand new driver onto the highway. Some people think, just because it's just going down the highway, you're staying in your lane, it's all straight and easy. Some people think, it's an easy way to get used to driving, you throw them in the deep end. But I totally disagree. You should always start your driving off in quiet local streets. It's all about repetition. Everything is about repetition when it comes to driving. You just repeat, find a block. And I'll go into this in further depth. You just want to go around that block again and again and again until everything is becoming second nature. And that's whether you're driving an automatic and it's to do with steering, it's to do with road position, it's to do with acceleration balance, it's to do with braking. And of course, when you're driving manual, we've got the other things to think about in regards to clutch control, gear selection, gear changes, balancing of the clutch for takeoffs, coming to a stop with the brake and clutch combo for stop. So there's a lot going on, and I just feel that if people are thinking of taking a learner, or perhaps someone suggests to you that you as a learner should go onto the highway straight up, perhaps kindly say no thank you. Start off with quiet streets, slow and steady, then to have a scare on the highway that puts you at risk and others at risk. We'll get into more details with this because I'll do further videos, definitely about repetition, but this is just a general one. Like if you're thinking of starting off and doing some driving very soon, now that you've got your learners and you've got someone teed up to go and do some driving with you, if they're not suggesting it, please suggest that you want to start off in local quiet streets. Definitely, that's the best choice for you. Okay, so take it easy, good driving, and I hope this video helps you yet again, but there's going to be more to come. So sit back and relax and look forward to my videos. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe or click on that notification bell. Either or, the links are going to be in the comment section below. Check it all out, give it a listen, give it a watch, and thanks for your support as always. Thanks.